Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are presenting some ideas on wooden Christmas decorations. Wooden Christmas decoration encapsulate the essence of tradition, warmth and rustic charm, infusing the holiday season with a timeless allure. Carved from various types of wood, these decorations evoke a sense of coziness and nostalgia, celebrating craftsmanship and the natural beauty of the material. One of the most iconic wooden Christmas decorations is the Nutcracker. Originating from German folklore, Nutcrackers have become synonymous with the holiday season. These intricately carved figurines often depict soldiers, kings, or characters from fairy tales, adorned with vibrant paints and exquisite detailing. Placed on mantelpieces or used as table centerpieces, Nutcrackers add a touch of whimsy and tradition to any home. The Christmas tree finds a natural companion in wooden ornaments. Crafted in various shapes and sizes, these ornaments embody simplicity and charm. From delicate snowflakes to miniature reindeer, the natural grain and warmth of wood lend a rustic elegance to the tree. Hand-painted or left in their natural state, these ornaments evoke a sense of craftsmanship and authenticity. Wooden nativity sets also holds a special place in Christmas decorations. Hand-carved scenes depicting the birth of Jesus Christ often become the focal point of holiday displays, reminding us of the true meaning of Christmas. These sets, with their intricate detailing and serene expressions, capture the reverence and spirituality of the season. Advent calendars, crafted from wood, offer a delightful way to count down the days until Christmas. With tiny drawers or compartments to hold treats or small surprises, these calendars become cherished family traditions. Each day unveils a new delight, fostering anticipation and joy as the holiday approaches. Another beloved wooden decoration is the Christmas village. Intricately carved houses, churches, and shops create a miniature winter wonderland, often displayed on mantels or as part of a larger holiday scene. The quaintness of these wooden villages, often illuminated with tiny lights, sparks imagination and nostalgia, inviting onlookers into a whimsical world. Wreaths crafted from wood slices or twigs offer a rustic twist to traditional holiday decor. Adorned with pine cones, berries, and ribbons, these wreaths exude a natural beauty that complements various decorating styles. Hung on doors or walls, they welcome guests with a touch of woodland charm. Wooden garlands and string lights made from carved wooden shapes infuse spaces with a warm and inviting glow. These decorations, whether shaped like stars, snowflakes, or miniature trees, add a cozy ambience to any room. Their natural finish and earthy tones blend seamlessly with other decor elements. Wooden ornaments and decorations also offers a canvas for personalization and DIY projects. Families often engage in crafting sessions, painting and decorating wooden pieces together, creating cherished memories while adding a personal touch to their holiday decor. Wooden Christmas decorations embody the spirit of tradition, craftsmanship, and natural beauty. From intricately carved nutcrackers to charming wooden ornaments, these decorations evoke a sense of nostalgia and warmth, celebrating the holiday season in a way that resonates with simplicity and authenticity. Their timeless appeal and rustic charm continue to make them beloved symbols of Christmas, adorning homes with a touch of heartwarming festivity year after year. I hope you were inspired to watch these ideas till the end. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking, metalworking, furniture ideas and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.